Hey everybody, welcome back to Paul's Garage. It's June 12th, 2019. Just a quick video here to see what it looks like with all the tape off and finally complete. The car has not been sanded and buffed on the clear coat, and I'm uncertain if I'm going to even do it because it's has quite a shine to it already. But there's a couple itty-bitty spots that have bugs in them, like a bug spot. Hard to see, but right there, a little bug. You can see it, okay. And a couple little bitty run spots, like right there's a little run. You can see it as we walk by. But it's, for the most part, I'm thrilled and happy with the gloss and the clear coat, 4 coats of clear. I'm real happy with it. So, and then right there's another run. You can see right there in the front hood stripe, which probably should be sanded out and buffed. But like I said, the car is so shiny. I would hate to, like, yeah, you can see that run right there. I'd hate to make it worse, but and I'm also, like I said before, I sprayed a gallon of color, which was a custom color. So a gallon of color with a gallon of reducer equals 2 gallons sprayable of paint are gone. I have just a teeny weeny little bitty bit that I could probably put on a Q-tip if I had to touch up any corners or anything like that, but I don't have any more. I guess I could get another batch made, but I don't know. So I just may leave it as is because just it, you know, it's very shiny. So came good. Insides are done, outside's done. I wasted a lot of color on the inside where the carpets are going to go. 3 coats of paint on the inside and all the doors and everything, so that are going to get covered. Same thing with the floors underneath. The floor's all done with 3 coats of clear. The doors and fenders are coming back off. I just threw them on when we painted, and the gaps are close, but you know, I'm confident with my gaps because they were all dialed in and adjusted while I was doing all the body work, so they're good. There's only like 1 or 2 bolts holding the fender in, one there. I think I have a bolt and a bolt up there, so everything's got to come back off. You can see a little clamp. I have a fender clamped onto the front right there just to hold it and line things up. And just want to take a picture here before everything comes back apart and gets put away. And one more thing that is very aggravating to me is right on that fender, you could see that front fender, you could see a little kink right there. What happened was while I had the fenders off, I remember dropping this fender right on the front and looking for damage. I couldn't find anything, couldn't find anything. Well, wouldn't you know, what shows up is where it creased right here, and there's a little high spot there that kind of unnoticeable but noticeable if I show it to you. So and that's about it. Again, like I said, I want to say thanks to my brother for helping, and he really did a lot of work helping, and moral support too, just being here and helping. And his buddies back at Outer Limits Performance, Pete and RJ, my brother was on the phone a couple of times with them, and questions we had on are we doing it right, wrong, or whatever. So thanks to those guys out at Outer Limits Performance. And Same thing with the MG forum guys for all their support and tips. So that's about it. And until next time when I start putting parts together, everything's coming back off. The hood, the trunk, the doors, the fenders are coming back off and going to be packaged and put away to safekeep until I'm ready to put them back on. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Bye.